It's in the toy section at Walmart for like $10. It's my brother's, but we decided to do a video on it and unbox it. But while you guys are waiting, I guess I could do a little secret mini unboxing for you guys. I have this trading card Pokemon pack, so I might open this for you guys.
Found one, guys.
He found one, but I'm going to do this mini unboxing here. We got Jigglypuff. Okay, so first of all, we have Jigglypuff. He has 70 health and 10% damage, but his rollout is 20 damage. And then we have Carbink. He has 90 health and 40% damage. Then we have Larvitar. He has 50%. He has 50 health and 20% damage. I'm gonna say percent a lot, and I know. Sorry, but then we have Spoink. He looks like a little piggy. He's cute, but he has 60% health and 30% damage. And then we have Diglett. He has 40% health and 10% damage. Then we have Larvitar. He has 60% health and 20% damage. We have White Kyurem maybe? This is actually pretty decent. He has 130 health, and his regular attack is 40% damage, but his Blizzard Burn is 130. I don't know if you can see that right there.
Guys, I feel something's going to be in this one.
And then we have a trainer. It's a Helix Fossil. Manite, maybe? Maybe. I don't know how to say that, so. Cincino, maybe? Cincino? Comment down below if you know that I said any names wrong and how to pronounce them correctly, because I'm probably saying most of these wrong, and I'm really sorry. But we have Cincino. He has 90% health, and he has 90% damage, and then his knockaway has 30 plus damage. Then the last one is a special energy, and it's a strong energy. Okay, it just says boring stuff.
Hey guys,
if you really care, you'll look it up. But actually, we're going to get into the car, because that's what you guys are here for.
I got everyone.
Sorry, I like to hit my cameraman sometimes. Okay, we're gonna get into this car. We're gonna fold these down, and I think there's some screws at the bottom, so it's gonna take 5 years to open them.
Nothing good, guys, in this thing, except there's two big things. They're good things.
The screwdriver might not be the right size. I don't know.
Nothing good, really.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? This may not actually want to come out. Coming out slowly but surely.
Almost done with this guard.
These screws take forever to get out. I hate screws so much. I'm getting it out. Yeah, there you go. Oh, magnetic. I'm sorry, I'm like completely messing up my tablecloth, but that's fine. Right now we have to get the other one out. So now I've only got one out, so. Yay. Fun. Screwing. This is great. Is it good?
What?
Is it a giant EX? Sorry, we're talking about his big Pokemon. It's Greninja. He does 100. He has 170% health and 20. His Dancing Shuriken does 20% damage, and Ninja Blade is 130 damage.
I actually had the small part of it.
Yeah.
Which was not fake. I don't know. I can't really tell. My brother's gonna have to check it out and see if it's fake or not.
Well, look at the color on the back.
That doesn't do anything, can it?
Yeah. If it's lighter, then if it's like a bright blue, then it's fake.
Comments in down below and see if it's fake. Yeah.
If you guys know how to tell if a Pokemon card is fake, comment down below and
Yeah, these are the ones I already have.
Okay, so we finally got it open and out. So I'm just going to show you a little cool feature about this card as I go through it and figure it out. If you can tell by earlier in the video, I opened the door. But yes, the doors do open and you can put like little action figures in the card, which is really cute. But that's it for this video, and it has really good driving quality. So I would definitely recommend this toy if you have a little family member's birthday coming up, or like around Christmas time if you want to get this. And I know it's past Christmas, but you never know. And if you just want to get it for yourself, that's totally fine too. I don't judge. So I totally recommend. We got it at Walmart in the toy section for about $10. Yeah.
Yeah.
$10. Like $9.98 maybe. So like yeah, $10.
It's not a backup card, but it's pretty good. Tires don't turn, but it's good.
Yeah. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. And if you don't want to love me, that is fine. But it would help if you hit that subscribe button. And if you never want to miss another video like this one, then hit that notification bell. Bye guys!